Hi guys, welcome back. Today I have my daughter London with us.
Yay!
Because I have 4 kids, everyone has some type of device, whether it be a Kindle, a phone, an iPad. And because of that, we have a lot of chargers and cords, and it's gotten ridiculous to the point the kids will take my husband and I cord and we can't find it. So today I'm going to label all of our cords with washi tape. So I have a small collection of washi tape. My daughter London here.
Washi tower.
Yeah, she made a tower. So we just picked these and we are going to start wrapping them with the washi tape so that way everyone knows whose is theirs and there's no confusion because some of the cords look exactly alike. So stay tuned. Okay guys, so what you're going to need is the washi tape of your choice. I picked this pretty green, a charger, and a pair of scissors. So washi tape's easy to tear, so I'd rather have a clean edge, so I cut that. And then I just take my charger and just line up the washi tape along the edge, and you just start wrapping it around, rotating it. Now you can easily just pre-cut this, but I don't like wasting it, so I just keep it on the washi tape and just keep wrapping it around until I get it completely covered. And then again, clean edge, so I just take my scissors and I just cut it, and it's that simple. And you just finish off and just seal it, and it looks good. Now I love the white that because it matches the green. You can easily cover the whole thing, but I decided to leave it like that. So I'm going to take it one step further and cover part of the cord, which is the base part. So again, I'm going to take my washi tape and just measure it, and I realized that my washi tape is thicker than what I'm trying to cover. So I just cut off a piece of washi tape, and then I'm going to measure again the width of the cord, so I know exactly where I need to cut to trim down the washi tape. As you can see, I just do a quick little snip of where I want to cut it, and I pretty much eyeball it to cut the excess off. I mean, if you're a perfectionist, it has to be completely straight. You can use an X-Acto knife and just cut it straight across with a ruler, but I'm pretty much just eyeballing it here. And so I just cut off that extra piece, and so I take my cord and I just do the same thing I did with the charger. I just wrap it all the way around. So, I mean, sometimes it starts wrapping kind of crooked, so you may have to take it off and just line it back up, but this is such an easy DIY. And so I just wrap it all the way around. Now I can take the extra I have and wrap it around, but it changes the way the pattern looks, so I just cut that piece off. But other than that, it looks so cute. I love it because it's unique, and I can make any design I want, and there'll be no more confusion of whose cord is who because every kid knows which design is theirs. So I think that looks awesome. Okay, so these are all the ones I made. My kids pretty much picked out which pattern they wanted for their own personal cord, and it came out great. And I like the fact that it's personalized and unique, and it's so easy to identify. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe, put on your notification bell so you know when I put up a video, and also give it a thumbs up if you love this video. Guys, until we meet again, have a very blessed day.